consequence.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to completely tear down your JBL boombox. For this tutorial, all you will be needing is a star screwdriver and something sharp enough to open the grill. So for that I'll be using this. To begin with this, you need to look for the right hand side of your speaker. When you take it this way, it should be on your right, and put some pressure and then turn towards left. Then you will get this piece. We'll keep that aside. Okay, we'll do the same for the other side, just like that. Just make sure it comes out properly. So the view we get is this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So for now, I'll be using this.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So you take it out gently, and there's going to be a wire over here. I'll just focus it for you. See over here. So you're just going to take this and this apart. Now we will look onto the other side. See, here we have screws. So I'll just take that apart.
Consumption gets faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in.
So this is how the inside looks like. We have got big woofers, 2 woofers, and this is the board, and underneath this is a battery over here. So I'll just go ahead and remove the drivers.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross.
Okay, so this time I wanted to show you guys how the JBL Boombox sounds without the passive radiators. See, so I'll just go ahead. I feel nothing. So right now, just you have to keep in mind the left driver is red, so I need to take that off, not the whole thing. Okay, and the black is the right one. So see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so over here you can see you have to remove all the screws. So once you remove the screws, you should know that you might be damaging the water resistant, the waterproofing system. So it's your risk. So if you have any kind of problems with the battery, so then you can remove the screws and you can replace them with a new battery. I'll be leaving a link down in the description for the batteries where you can get them. So right now I won't be opening, so but you know where to like how to open it and how to replace them. So I'm just gonna put everything back so that you don't get confused where you're missed, or like, you know, how to put everything back together. So I'll be showing you that just like every time.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close, who could light this fire? aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause late.
So we'll just give it a try if it is proper or not.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around.
Thank you so much for all kind of support from you guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.